have lots of bugs in host flow, in layout or reservation. In few parts Naresh is working, and few parts Alex has been taken, like the edit reservation or the reservation list. But we have the problem that we have on the layout page and all this edit option. This will be solved by Naresh, but few things I would like to mention with this video. So maybe I will share this video with Naresh as well. Naresh will be solving this part, like the tab part, the timing part, and the tables color changes and the edit option. All this is the part from Naresh. You can see that in edit, in this option, we actually have all the bookings for 12 p.m. So the bookings are all actually made at 4:30 p.m. but here I can see all are showing me 12 p.m. Okay, now maybe we supposed to, okay, this is another difficulties. This should move with this the complete section. Then we supposed to display 3 here, but I cannot see the 3 as well. It's not possible to see the 3 either. Okay, then check if I am moving to edit reservation. You can see the status. The username has been taken in status, and the note I will be adding. Okay, when I'm clicking save reservation, it's simply, maybe it's saving but the modal is not closing. I'm not sure, because seems few parts has been worked after that. Okay, so that's why we need a cross as well. I mentioned that to Naresh as well. Okay, now you can see that in status it has been taken, trace is working but no notes. So if you're adding the notes, this note supposed to display here, so we definitely will require a scroll over here, because all the notes possible is going to add it here. So for this notes need to check as well, and for all this button, actually all of our starting letter is in caps, rest of will be in small, so we need to follow the same everywhere. Okay, now this was the basic part that I was showing over here. This part will be for Naresh, but these are still bugs, a lot of bugs from host flow. And now I would like to show the part for love, that is we have the issues for this reservation section. All this selection is fine, the fixes are fine. We have mainly the problem when we are selecting this section. This actually this should okay, this should go below 9 and up to as much as they want, which I have mentioned with the tickets for this section. And then as it is selected, so it makes sense for user that when I am increasing it, it is already selected. So that's why what we need to do, I believe, is when we are just changing or doing these actions, increasing or decreasing this should not get highlighted, so they will understand, user will understand that okay, I have to select some cover from here, because otherwise they will simply increase just here and will try to move the next when you are coming back for changes. Okay, this time I know that I have to select, but when I'm coming for a changes it is difficult. Maybe you can simply deselect that when I will start clicking on this, and then I can again select this one. So this way goes, it will be updated here for cover as well. Also, if it is possible that I will not click it in multiple time, it will simply increase, that could be really great. Okay, now let's move to the next part. You see all those available times seems all are displaying in PM. This issues was not earlier, but Naresh showed me Naresh showed me these issues with his local. So I'm not sure, maybe if this is because of any fixing by him or any code uploaded by him, because earlier it was fine. Now I can see that all this are showing in PM. So this need to be look. Okay, now as you can see that the list of available tables are coming, and I can just select my tables from here. So I'm not sure if the red tables are coming over here, it means that I should not able to book this table, but I can easily book the table at this time. Multiple table booking is also possible. Okay, another thing is this table number is not 6. So if we are showing the table number in create reservation, then in search, everywhere this should update with exact table number. You can see the table number here is 17. So the table number need to be populated there. Then here the username is not coming, and also these caps need to change, only the starting word will be in caps. And for table number as well, this table number is not right, the table number need to be right here, and this user information is also not displayed. So once my booking is done, it's showing me reserved 1, available 1, and I guess once the booking is done, it should not be on this page. It should come back on this page when the reservation is done. Then if I come on layouts, I can see that all the bookings that I have, and I cannot see the last one. So I would like to make sure that all the booking is happening on the same time. So these are the few things that the reserved table counts is still 1. So definitely something is not right, because the booked table, the red table, is I can again book that table. Okay, so here we have actually another scenario, like we are only selecting the available time slot, but in the available time slot it still may happen that some table is booked, but still we are showing them. That's fine, but we should not have the option to select this table. Also we need to check the reserved table count as well, like as this is the error or bug that I can again book this table. That's why the reserved table booking is actually not changing, but this table should not be possible to book again. And also this need to remove. So please make sure about each and every small details that we are following, so I don't have to make video repeatedly for all the stuffs, and we will not repeatedly moving over here.